Hey everyone, my name's Lauren. For those of you who are local to Regis, I am from Peabody or Peabody, Mass. And for those of you who aren't local, that's about 20 minutes north of Boston. My nursing background is primarily in critical care. I worked about 7 years in a general ICU that was mostly medical and surgical cases, and I've worked the last 2 years in a cardiovascular ICU. However, I've also worked the last few months in home hospice, which I have found to be my true passion. I am enrolled in the MSN program, and my concentration was initially FNP, and now that I've discovered my true passion for hospice, I switched to adult Jerry because I have no desire to do any hospice work with children. My strengths and weaknesses in pathophysiology sort of stem from my capabilities as a learner. I'm primarily a visual learner, and I think back in undergrad, I wasn't willing to put forth the effort to do as well as I could have. Now that I'm an advanced patho and my priorities are a little different, I am certainly putting in that effort this time around. Being a visual learner, that means I need to read all the material and make my own flashcards and diagrams and look at pictures and look at YouTube videos, and that can be cumbersome. My ultimate career goal is to open a hospice house someday after working as a hospice nurse practitioner for a while. And one interesting detail about me, and it's probably one of my proudest moments, is when I ran the Boston Marathon in 2015. I think that's it. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to watching all your videos.